With the girls, and boy did we have fun. So stay tuned if you want to see what we got up to for the first 24 hours at Disney, staying at the Riviera Resort.
Welcome to our crib.
If only. Ooh, how nice. It even got an oven. Wow.
It's gonna store everything. Oven. That's what I'm trying to sell. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
This is posh. Look at this.
It's the view.
PJs, except for different colors.
It's one of the rooms.
And look at the balcony. There's a balcony.
Yeah, there's a few seats out there. Oh my god, there's a tub. I'm gonna have to send Sean a picture of the tub. Epcot now. We've checked into the room. It is beautiful. So we're going to take the Skyliner and get to Epcot. We've got a fireworks cruise tonight, so we're going to do that. So see you at Epcot.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot.
Oh, look at my little thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back.
That was me, I think.
I was about to say, it sounds like Julie's story.
All right, well, if you're wondering what Mother's Day looks like at Epcot, this is what it is. It is super busy. So we just tried to get into Cava de Tequila, which is our favorite, and that isn't going to work. It's a big long line. So we're getting one outside. Yes, we are. Pretty view. There we go. $15.98. Margarita. Drink number one. I almost forgot to film, so I'm getting too carried away yapping. But we got chips and guac. Drink number two. Drink number three. So we are now on our way over to England in the Welsh Showcase. We had a little time to kill. We wanted to find somewhere nice to sit. So we ended up getting a meal between the six of us just so we could get a table. And we drank some wine while we were there and waited for the fireworks. We are now all done in Epcot and walking to our boat. Everybody behind. So, too many drinks were had, but we're going to get on this boat and hopefully not get seasick and see the fireworks. See you there.
How y'all doing? How you doing?
My name's Jess.
I'm not denying that I didn't think that.
Okay.
Sorry. I need a cup.
It's not very strong. Oh my god, Katie filled this up. Oh my god. Katie filled up my big cup with like. Yeah, we.
But this is gonna be so cool. There's everybody. Thank you. Alright, here we go. This is so good, it's so worth the money. If you're gonna do it, definitely book the fireworks cruise because look at this view. We're literally where they're gonna set off the fireworks in the middle. So I will get back with you when it starts, but this is amazing. Yeah, do it.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
at Topolino's, and that was so much fun. We get to see Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, and Donald, I think. And then the food was okay. I ended up with avocado toast. It was the most expensive avocado toast I think I've ever had. I probably wouldn't get it again. It was very garlicky. But I did drink a lot of Diet Coke because this morning after last night I'm struggling. So we're going to spend some time by the pool. And then Sean will be coming to meet me later, and he's going to get to use the pool for a bit too before we actually leave. So I will take you on a little pool tour in just a moment. Grab a couple of towels. And then I'll show you the pool. Take a little thing of the pool. Can't really show you too much because there's kids and I don't want to be weird, so.
The slide, the girls. It's a zero entry pool, so that's really good too if you have disabilities.
So after Sean arrived, we decided to take a little tour of the property. It is absolutely beautiful and I enjoyed every minute exploring, especially after having such a long night the night before. But we had fun. It was a beautiful place. I definitely recommend staying here. We had a 2-bedroom suite. We were very lucky in that Sam was able to get that for us. I am so lucky to have found these ladies to call my friends, and I had such a good time. Tell me in the comments what your favorite place to stay at Disney is. I think I'm going to stick with Port Orleans being mine, but I want to know what yours is. If you enjoyed the vlog, please give it a like. Subscribe if you want to stick around. We've got lots of vlogs coming. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Thank you.